Hey guys, you're welcome to this lecture. My name is Isaac or Isaac Ayer. I'm ambassador of prosperity and ambassador of wealth. Yes, for real, I had a lot of experience in life. I had been on travel all to significant number of countries in the world. I had met people from more than 50 countries of the world. I've been to so many African countries too, at least 8 within West Africa, East Africa. Now, each time I've been to most African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, West Africa, especially Kenya, anytime I come out from the airport, what the world I see is a very different world. It's always a different world. A world with chaotic environment, a world full of poverty. One day I stepped out from Nigeria airport and was like, I think I have to do something about this. I decided to share what I know and what I do to you right now, ladies and gentlemen. I created this class. What created this class? Not just I created this class for people who are willing to change their situation. The fact that people are poor, it is not because of bad government. Only we know the government are bad in most African countries. But the problem is Africa don't understand how the world works now. They don't understand how much the world have changed. The era of information, technology, AI era, of this era we are right now, cannot be controlled by the government policy. The government policy have not upgraded enough to be able to control what happened with the AI, what happened with the technology era. And I'm very sure every one of you here have a phone, and that's what you're watching me from. And if you have a phone and you are poor, you have a good excuse to be poor. You can't be poor when you have a phone. You can put thousands and thousands of dollars into your bank account every month, every week. But government is not enough. Okay, no. I'm sure you guys watch Instagram comedies. Consider Gas Happiness, for example. He edits his video, he shoots his video with his phone. Do you observe that? He edits on his phone, he posts on his phone, he's going viral with his phone. Just that alone is putting money in his bank account. Can you compare yourself with him? Yes, I obviously no. But we give you 100% assurance we are willing to walk by what I'm about to show you in these classes. Step by step, you can compare yourself to him, can overtake him, and you can do better because you show you how you can, join all these multiple streams together in one box. So I admonish you to, let every form of distraction go, concentrate, understand, reach each and every sentence in this lecture. Listen to every voice note I will send you. Listen to step by step, observe, learn, follow, practice. And I assure you, in the next 1 week, in the next 2 weeks, in 1 month, it will be a big difference in your bank account. So there's no excuse, there's no reason for you to be poor.